Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One cold morning, Rat in a Hat was working outside the shop.
Whiskers! Oh dear, oh, such a lot of work to do and such a cold morning.
Oh dear, what's the matter, Rat?
Oh Lulu, I seem to have caught a touch of the sniffles.
Oh, poor Rat. You should be in bed.
Oh, but my shop is in a mess. I'm supposed to go on a fishing holiday tomorrow.
Never mind about that, Rat. To bed.
Oh.
Come on now.
All
Off you
right.
go. In you go now. Nice and cool.
So Lulu tucked poor Sniffly Rat into his bed.
There. That's much more warm and comfy. Isn't it, Rat?
Oh, thank you, Lulu.
Biba, biba, biba. Hello, Rat. That's a serious sniffle, Dr. B1. A very, very serious sniffle, Dr. B2. Say Rat. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Dr. B1? I think I am, Dr. B2. It's staying in bedtime, Rat.
Oh, staying in bed, Dr. Bananas. But what about my shop? What about my fishing holiday?
Don't you worry about a thing, Rat. Everything will be just fine.
But Rat couldn't stop himself worrying.
Oh, cheese and whiskers. I'd better go and hang up the shop. Closed! Oh, I'm sorry, Amy, but the shop's closed.
Oh, Rat, what are you doing out of bed?
Morgan, I forgot to hang up the shop closed sign.
But Rat, the shop's open.
And I'm the shopkeeper.
You're the shopkeeper, but
There you go, Amy.
Thank you, Morgan.
oh, are you sure?
Oh!
Rat!
I'm sorry, Amy.
Back to bed, Rat.
Everything's under control.
Oh, yes, I suppose I...
Rat was about to get back into bed when it started to rain.
Oh, rain! Oh, no! All those boxes will get wet. Oh...
Oh, Rat, what are you doing out of bed?
Oh, my boxers.
It's all right, Rat. We've brought all your boxes in out of the rain.
Oh, so you have Bananas. You've done a great job. Cheese and whiskers.
Back to bed.
Oh, all right. Oh, back to bed again.
Next morning when Rat woke up,
Oh, no more snuffly sniffles. Oh, but so much work to do. I'll never get to go on a fishing holiday. Oh, I don't understand. Shop all tidy, boxes all stacked so neatly. Oh,
Morning, Rat. Feeling better?
Oh, much better, thank you, Bananas. No sniffles at all, and no work to do either.
Exactly, Rat. And now it's holiday time. Walk this way, Rat. Come along, Rat. All ready.
and I think going on a holiday is a good way to get over the sniffles. Don't you?
Hot, Rat.
Oh, thank you,
There's petrol in the automobile. It's all juiced up, Rat.
Oh, thank you very much, B1.
Fishing rods and some bait.
Oh, I never thought I'd get to go on my holiday. Oh, there's my favourite
Do have a good time, Rat.
Away we go!
Bye.
Bye-bye,
We'll be
Banana!
thinking of you, Rat. Bye, Rat. Bye-bye, Rat.
down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
I'm a rat.
One day, Rat in a Hat decided to take a quiet stroll in the park.
Oh dear, oh dear!
I've got it! I've got it!
Hold on again!
I got it!
Careful, everyone, careful!
I got it!
Oh dear!
Rat! Sorry,
Did
Rat.
you get it? Yes. Sorry,
Oh,
Rat.
cheese and whiskers, bananas! You should be more careful!
Yes, I know, sorry.
Oh, never mind, never mind! Oh, that hurt! Oh, I'm beginning to think today must be bumping day!
Bumping day?
Yes, what we need is a sign here saying, watch out for strolling rats. And right there, a sign saying, caution all teddies.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's sign painting time.
Oh, look at my walking jacket. Oh,
No more bumping accidents when we put up our new banana signs, B2.
Rat will be pleased about that, B1.
What do you think, B2?
Oh, excellent sign, B1. But what does it mean?
It's a picture of a wheel from Amy's scooter. And the sign means no speeding teddies allowed.
Rat will be very pleased about that. Now, what do you think this sign means?
Does it mean watch out for speeding birds, B2?
No, here. I'll give you a hint. Dum-da-dum-da-dum-da-dum.
Only singing birds allowed.
No, it means bird watching area.
Oh, you are clever. B2, let's test our banana signs before we take them out. Green dot, B2, go!
Running area ahead, B1.
Stop sign, B2. Roundabout coming up, B2.
Roundabout? Roundabout. I'm getting very giddy, B1.
B2.
We forgot to put a sign telling us how to get off.
Oh, dear.
Watch out for falling bananas.
The bananas couldn't wait to test their new signs in the park.
Ooh, one way. Ooh, skipping zone. Oh well. Oh no, Morgan, you're going the wrong way.
No, Lulu, you're going the wrong way.
But the sign says you have to skip this way.
But the sign over there said to hop this way.
oh, cheese and whiskers!
Rat, what were you doing in the bushes?
I've been following the signs, and they're making me bump into everything. Oh, I just had a very good idea.
Luckily, Rat in the Hat found a way to solve the bumping problem once and for all.
Now, wait until I wave you through, please, teddies.
All right.
Bananas?
Thank you, Lollipop Rat.
And so, with Lollipop Rat on duty, Cuddles Avenue at last became a happy, bump-free zone.
Thank you, Rat.